Hi everybody. Today I have decided that I want to make za'atar. Now za'atar is something that I grew up eating all my life, and I, honest to God, never realized that the main ingredient in it was thyme. One day I was over at my brother and sister-in-law's house, and we were talking about it, and I told them that I had found a recipe online and that I wanted to try it. And that's when my sister-in-law said, well, you know, it's thyme. And I had no idea. I had no clue. So anyway, she picked a bunch of thyme for me, fresh thyme from her garden. And I decided to bring it home. I dried it. I picked it. It was a time-consuming effort. However, I did it and I ground it up. And so now we are going to make za'atar. And what's funny is I literally just ran out of the amount or the bunch that I had at home. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so the ingredients for the Middle Eastern za'atar recipe that I found, and I guess nowadays they call it za'atar, but I know it as za'atar. Anyway, the ingredients are 1 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds. Then it is a 1/4 cup of ground sumac. Now I wanted pretty fresh sumac, so I went to the common market and I had it measured out. I did get a little bit more for a different recipe, but anyway, this is a 1/4 cup of sumac, and if you can see, it's ground up pretty coarsely. So I'm going to go ahead and grind it up again. But then after the sumac, we have 2 tablespoons of dried thyme, which is from my brother and sister-in-law's garden. And then we have 2 tablespoons of dried marjoram. I think that's how you say it. And then we have 2 tablespoons of dried oregano and 1 teaspoon of coarse salt, and this is kosher salt. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to ground up, I'm going to ground up the sesame seeds, and once they're ground up, I'm going to add the other ingredients and grind them up. So here we go. Okay, this little grinder is pretty loud, but here we go. Let me look at them. Oh yeah, they're getting ground up. Okay, now I'm going to add all of the other ingredients. Here's the sumac. Oh, I hope I get it in there. Okay, sumac, the dried thyme, the dried marjoram. Oh, I spilled some. Oh well. The dried oregano. And then finally the teaspoon, of salt. Okay, now I'm going to grind it up and I'm going to make za'atar. Okay, so there you go. I had to zoom in so that you could see it. And honestly, I just tasted a little bit of it, and it tastes just like za'atar that we grew up eating. Hold on a minute. The true test is if you can eat zait and za'atar, which is oil and za'atar together. Hold on. Okay, you guys, it's kind of embarrassing. I am Middle Eastern. I live in this household. I'm the one who does the groceries, and guess what? I don't have pita bread. I don't have pita bread to eat my za'atar with. So here goes. I'm gonna try it with just a little piece of bread that I have. And I guarantee you pita bread is gonna be in the house tomorrow. So I'm dipping the oil. I don't know if you can see that, but anyway, I'm dipping the oil and then I'm dipping the za'atar. So this is what it looks like. Oil and za'atar. Oh my God. It tastes exactly like, exactly like what we grew up with. I don't think I will ever buy za'atar from the store anymore. From now on, I'm making it fresh. So I'll link the recipe below so you guys can do the same. And let me know how you like it. Bye.